As you guys know, now I'm working on the G63 AMG. So we need to remove the door handle and side mirror. For that one, we need to remove first door trim. I will show you how to remove it, and then how to take off door handle and also side mirror. First, you can see the one cup in the interior handle. You can find the gap between and then take it out. One. And then second one, that black piano trim, do like this. Do it very gently, and as soon it's coming out a bit, grab it with your hand in this way, like this, and then don't do like this. Slide it to the left, because having the hook inside this area. And then third things here, having the one space, you can see. So this one gonna come out too. And okay, one bolt here, one here, and 1, 2, 4. For rear door, doesn't have this one, so I only have 3. For the front door, have 4. And then I recommend that when you're gonna put it back, don't tighten it too hard. And okay, now try to find the small space at the bottom, this way. And after all came out, just push it out. Okay. Only things need to remove is this one, and those are harness. So one more. Where is that? Here. Okay. This is how you can remove the door handle. You have 2 bolts, one here and then one inside. Size same, 30, some cheap. And for those things, don't use the drill, because drill is possible to grind it. Remove it, and from here having the kind of gummy silante, not silicone. You can rip it off with the knife, because if you do the heat gun, it's gonna come back together again. So. Careful to not touch the body with your knife. And then here having another 30, but don't remove it fully. I will show you now. As soon as it's getting loosened, you can grab the door handle out. This one fully remove it, and then this one just this much, because here having the hole, and then you can take it easily, because maybe if you open it the hole, it's gonna fall off to the bottom and then hard to get. So let me remove the rest of the film. And let's go for side mirror. First, you need to remove this black, the white and black harness. Okay, is this one, and also those 2. Okay, now it's free, and then put this rubber in. Okay, I removing those plastic cover, 1, 2, and then one gonna be behind this. But important things, using the magnet to not drop the bolt. Cover, it's easily to go back in. And now time. Like this with the magnet. And now I'm going for the last one. For the last one, if you have someone to help, need to grab the side mirror if you don't have. And then I cannot put the window down because the window coming down gonna cover this bolt. So I need to first grab it. Okay. So, since I was alone, I asking my friend next shop helping me. So you can see 3 bolts here, and then that's all. What's this? I have to figure it out how to remove this cover. Okay, anyway. Again, you can see got naked and then all the wrap removed. Now we have Ferrari 488 Spider Sapalpal, and then I did a PPF on this car like 8 months ago. If you wanna see all the edges, how I did, no cut line here, all is hand cut. And you can see looks how shiny, but car is a little bit dirty. And he got the stone chip here. We need to change the hood, and also if you want to see this area how I did, and then this is the wrap too. Look at this guy is really not taking care. Can you see the big scratch here? And he did something on the spoiler, so he removed the film. I wrapping it. Look at it, need to be dry.